What is it? Hello.
Good.
Welcome back.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be doing my lovely boyfriend's makeup. If you look back at my older videos, he has actually done my makeup. I'm gonna put the link to that video in the description down below. So let's get started, babe.
So what are we gonna be starting with, I guess?
Okay, so I'm gonna start and spray this on your face. Ready?
Sorry. But I don't want to open my eyes.
You're not gonna, don't open your eyes, okay? Ready?
Just wait. Okay.
Ready, set. Okay, ready?
You can open my eyes, you can just squirt them.
Close your fucking mouth. 2.
Stop.
1.
Squirt it.
Okay, ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Damn, were we taking a shower?
Don't worry, babe. You look beautiful after this. Oh, you know what I want to try on you?
Let's see.
I want to try foundation sticks. Have you ever seen these? This is foundation.
I've only seen the liquid kind that you use. Wow.
This is his work shirt, by the way, you guys. It's around 9 p.m. right now. This is the only time that we have to film, so that's why he has this on.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be doing his makeup the way that I do my makeup. So all the steps that I include in my makeup routine, I'm gonna apply to him. So I applied primer and I also applied the glow mist. And now I'm gonna be doing his eyebrows.
They're fine and delicious.
Look at me. It feels weird.
I'm not used to things coming at my eyeballs.
What do you think takes me the longest to do in my makeup routine?
Probably that foundation. But sometimes you don't even do that much foundation.
I do overdo it with the powder though. I get cakey as fuck.
Yeah, there's levels to this game and I know all of them. Jesus, my eyebrows got like so much darker. Jeez.
You're gonna look like Cantinflas.
No, that's only if you shade in this too.
Who said I'm not?
I don't think I've ever tried using makeup to cover anything up.
If you had the choice, would you use makeup though? Because
No.
it's like, why wouldn't you? Like, why do people care? Especially guys.
Personally, I wouldn't use it because I'm confident with my dashing good looks.
No, pues wow. Like, just relax it, don't move it.
Well, it's wet.
Damn, your eyebrows are gonna look good today.
We got like a fucking foot of snow.
It's not that cold surprisingly, but there's a shit ton of snow.
Yeah, it's so fluffy though, it's awesome.
But like, raise up your eyebrows like this.
I can't, it's because I have to close my eyes in a reaction. It's like a reflex.
Well, you can close them. But just, yeah, you just raise them up like that. So I can really get in here. Stop, I fucked up! Stop being annoying.
Are you only doing half my face?
No, I'm doing it all.
You are? It seems like you're only doing one side more than the other.
Because it takes time.
Well, damn.
Weird.
I should become like a Hitler and become my own race of perfectly symmetrical people.
Okay, for his eyes, I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I haven't used this bad boy in a long time, so we're gonna get it out today. See, we're gonna give you a look that matches with your shirt, something simple, boy.
We don't have anything like this color.
You think to make your makeup look good, you have to match to your clothes? That's a big mistake, you guys. If you guys do that, I'm so sorry for you. You should find Jesus. We're gonna do something real simple, nothing too crazy. Te estás quedando dormido, ¿verdad?
No, I'm not. Just.
Es cierto, entiendo.
No, just. We should eat dragon fruit. Can we even eat those?
Where do they even sell them at?
I don't know. Probably like a Chinese store. Our food basically consists of 50% snacks, 50% real food.
True. Do you want to see a talent that I have?
What?
Do you want to see my talents one more time?
Yeah.
Come on.
But you can't call it a talent if you miss 1 out of 2.
Caught it though.
Oh damn. Oh.
Missed. Guáchale, mijo, guáchale. You know what this is for?
Eye curler. Eyelash curler.
Open your eyes.
Ah, no, it's scary. Okay, stop. Oh shit. No wonder why animals don't like being tested on for this shit.
Right? Damn, your eyelashes look so good right now. Okay, so I really don't want to do an eyeliner on him because it's gonna take a long ass time.
Thank the Lord.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna apply lashes, kind of create the kind of look that I have on right now. We're gonna be twinsies.
This is only taking us about 4 hours.
Okay, so I'm gonna apply some eyelashes to his eyes, but I don't have any simple ones because I'm extra as fuck. So the lashes that I have for him are pretty big. Hopefully it doesn't look too obnoxious on his eyes.
I'm about to flutter away with these bitches.
Pásame my under.
Pásame la botella.
Okay, let's apply these lashes. This fit on your eye pretty nice. I didn't even measure it. Did you know that? I didn't measure it at all, but I knew that it was gonna fit your eye. That's how good at makeup I am. So beat that, Jair. Open your eye. I low-key thought it was gonna get stuck together.
I feel like it did. But shit, it's because they feel so weird in my eyes. They feel so heavy.
That's actually kind of pretty. I like them. Abrámelos. Yeah. Oh wow! Do a side profile. Okay, look down. Now look up. Okay, so let's start and put foundation on. It feels like butter, huh?
Fuck.
I promise I will fix it. Volteate a la verga.
No, pues me dices, voltea la cámara, voltea a ti, voltea, pues, decídete, verga.
I love you.
No posties on there. I don't want my mama listening.
You know they're gonna watch it. You know how many people are gonna watch this? Why do you care?
Because I cuss too much.
Don't give a fuck. Ya te estás durmiendo, ¿verdad?
I'm getting tired. I won't go to bed. I'm still at the shower.
Love you. There we go. You know what? Let's try to add some of this. It might make you look orange, but don't freak out.
I don't want to look like Donald Trump.
A ver, mi amor. Might be orange. You're beautiful, baby.
Relax, shit. You're on my head gently. No, don't go like. Oh, you like that, huh?
This is my painting.
But I'm the artist.
I'm the artist, you're just the canvas. Next comes bronzer. I'm gonna bronze up your cheeks. You wanna bronze up the forehead to make it seem smaller. We're gonna make your watermelon head look like an orange. Let's add some highlight to your laugh. Let's see this blinding moment right here. Oh yeah, beautiful. Let's move on to, what is this?
Lip gloss.
Is it?
Bronzer. I don't give a fuck what it is, just put it on my face.
Okay, let's see which two colors will look good on you.
Oh, she just ruined my makeup with all her salivia.
Stop.
What are we doing?
No.
That's still spitting on my face.
Okay, so we're really tired, you guys. We want to go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it.
Come back again. This is the result. Side profile view. Facial features in the front.
What do you rate it?
Maybe a -5. No, just kidding. Okay, good night, bye. Peace out, guys.